rewind kind of stuff once. Okay, then I will go to service desk. Okay, so again, this one will useful for you again. What is ITL? IT Infrastructure Library. ITL provide practical, no-nonsense framework for identifying, planning, delivering, and supporting IT services to the business. ITL is having a 5 life cycles: service strategy, service design, service transaction, service operation, continual service improvement. Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm getting some smell. Not fine. I don't know. So here is this Malcolm. Okay. Service strategy, service design, service transition, service operational, continual service improvement. Service strategy is based on the strategy of your service, like how to provide a service, what service we have to provide. Okay, what is the demand, what is the return value, return value. Okay, how it is value to the customer, how it is value to the customer. So these many questions are there. So identifying, planning of a service is service strategy. Designing the service, whether it is new service or old service, or you are redesigning it, you have to compulsory do design the service. Okay, according to design, you have to develop, means build and deploy. So exact word is build and deploy. Okay, exact word is build and deploy. So this build and deploy contains some other words like a build and deploy. So in proper build and the deploying of things is always give you a proper value to the customer service. Okay, lesser issues will there. So develop it, build it, test it, and finally release and kind of stuff. Of course, there is an important point is in this one is also change. Change management is one of the important thing in a service transition, but we are discussed in our abbreviations. Of course, service operation is after deployment, support to the customers, monitor the customer issues, monitor how the functioning at the customer side. Okay, and troubleshooting, if any issues are occur, find it and troubleshoot it and solve the problems. Okay, so next is a CSI, is a continual service improvement. So observations from the designing, planning, development, build, deploy, issues, customer issues and all feedbacks. Okay, so we can understand what type of service you have to build, what is the improvement process, so then we can improve in the business. So this is about your ITL. Okay, next, different benefits of ITL, characteristics of ITL. What is ITSM? Okay, IT service management is also there. Go through once. Okay, go through once. ITSM is mainly, it is talking about what is IT service management. What is the meaning of service management? Okay. Next, so there are everything, so many names are there. I'm not going everywhere. So okay, otherwise again it will take another 1 hour. Okay, only a few definitions. SLA stand for service level agreement, OLA operational agreement, UC underpinning contract. SLA between customer or a client to service provider. Okay, OLA internal organization only. OLA is between inside a organization, between business units to internal IT person. Okay, underpinning contract between your service provider and a vendor, means like a supplier kind of stuff. So already we discussed about a change management here, but I am going down directly. These again definitions are very important in ITL. So any detectable occurrence that has a significance for the IT infrastructure management, that is event. Different events are there: information, warning, error or exception kind of events are there. Critical errors, critical is also there. Okay, so auditing, these are all comes under logs, but not events. Events are limited. Okay, so right, any successful normal events, like if something is okay, this is connected, okay, like that. So this like this comes under informational type. Okay, backup successful, transaction successful, file send, file sent successful, email received, these are all informational. Warning, warning is your mailbox is full, your mailbox is full. Okay, your internet is very busy. Okay, maybe disk is full. Okay, so like this is comes under warnings. Issue, any issue like a disk is failure in a ride. Okay, backup location is full, change the cassette, like this. Okay, errors are usually like failed events or a error event kind of stuff. Okay, login failure, disconnected, full. Disk is full means you can't put any data inside. This disk is full is about to full. About to full kind of stuff. But this disk is full is completed. No, you cannot put a more data inside. A disk is full or about to full. Anything, both you can use it. Okay, disk failures. Okay, RAM down, system down, service down, server down. All are comes under errors only. When these events are occurs, there is a alerting system. It generates alerts. So then immediately we can understand and we can take care of the things. So to understand basics of event management is this one. Okay, incident management is an unplanned interruption. Suddenly something is happened, stop working kind of stuff. Issues occur. Okay, so like server down, service down, network down, internet not working, internet failure, disk failure, RAM failure. These are all comes under incident management. When an incident is notified and you have to go and fix it, that we call it as a workaround, temporary way to overcome the issues. So then we can stop further spreading or a further impact. Next, problem management. So what is the problem? So unknown root cause of one or more incidents. It's very simple to understand. An incident is occurred and we fixed it, and again it is occurred, again we try to fix it, again it is occurred. So then we better stop fixing, better to do solve the problem permanently. So then you don't get the issues again. Of course, in the problem management, lot of things are there, but we discussed only few points here. Okay, incident is occur and no immediate solutions. Okay, so you got some incident, are unable to understand why it is occurs, unknown root cause of it, or in repeated incident is occur. We have to consider the incident as a problem. Then once you are considered as a problem, you have to start understanding, analyze the issue. Okay. Okay. What to do? Analyze. Analyze the issue. First of all, required a analysis. Analysis the issues, why it is occur, where it is occur, what is the root cause of. Okay, analyze the issues, find root cause of issue. If you required any changes, change it. So then fix the issues, find a permanent solutions. Okay, fix the issue. So obviously lesser incident, I don't know, further incidents will occur. So that when it is come to change is also a very important word. So that's why I included here again. Okay, change means it can be a service change, a RAM change, To fix the issues, we can change it. To upgradations, we can change it. To upgrades, updates, or fixing issues, we require changes. It can be a code changing, network changing, RAM changing, subscription plan changing, internet changing. All these things comes under change. And this is also related to the service request. Sometimes a user asks for information, user asking for some service changes, like asking for VPN access, mail access, okay, mail access, password changing, okay, mail access, password changing, file access, internet access, speed upgradations, okay, system upgradations. These are all comes under service request. Okay, so you can say like in a simple multiple examples I explained already, but you can also go with a few things like if you forget about how to log into system, you forget your password. What you will do? Will send the information. So then it will change your password and unlock your password. Okay, so then you can able to log in again. So it is change and incident report, change and service request, like that. So there is a internal link between one to another one is also there. Okay, guys, up to here.
Yes, sir.
Guys, look at here. This is an organization. This is an organization. In this organization, okay, it's a service provider organization. What it is doing? It is providing a service. And there is some people working in this organization. And there is some infrastructure is also there in this organization. For example, this organization name is, for example, Tanutech. Okay, Tanutech Solutions. It's providing some service, like for example, internet service. I'm the customer. I'm the customer. So better write in a less distance because we need more space. I'm the customer, public customer, internet service provider. It is, for example, okay, some service provider company. Okay. I'm getting a service from this organization. I'm getting, I'm a public person. I'm getting a service. I'm taking like internet service. I'm taking. Okay. I'm the customer. Okay. I'm the customer. I'm taking the service. Now, for example, the service is stop functioning. What to do? Generally, if services stop working, what to do? We'll call to the service center, right? So internet service provider. In generally, in a Pune, we have an app. Through app also, we can able to give a complaint. So I can raise the complaint. So issues occur, or I send through WhatsApp. Sometimes I will call. So I use different ways to approach this organization to log my complaint. So what are the ways? So you can call. Calling is one, like a through phone or mobile phone call. You can text it. You can send a text message, possible, right? You can use some applications. You can use some application through application, web, direct direct. This is always a common example for things. See, I am the user. I am the user. This is the ways to approach to information to my organization or to the organization where I required. So how many ways we can able to do it? Like this, we can able to try it. Okay. Direct means I can go to directly also, right? So that is. I will send a web means open the website and give the complaint through it, like a supporting email web is there, email is also there. That's why given a space. Okay, email is also there. So I can send a email, I can send a direct contact, I can send a through apply through some mobile apps kind of stuff, text or a call. Okay, so by that one I have to approach to the organization. What happened? The customer care candidate is there. So the what are the word it is? This first actual one working one is service desk. It's a service desk. We approach finally service desk people. Service desk people ask questions. What is the issue? You already told the issue. So what is the issues? When it is occur? Okay, what it is showing like that? What is the how to solve the basic issues? When we are called for a tech support, so the guy will tell like this, sir, turn on, turn off the router, reset the router. Okay, reset the router. Okay. Okay. We can say like try to cool down, unplug it. Okay, so keep turn on, so keep trying like this, press the particular button. Okay, press the particular button like that. So initial support they are giving. Understand? So first of all, they will ask a question. They ask a question, what is happened? So then they will gather the information, so then they can understand what is the issue. Asking proper questions to the customer. Second one is they will give you some suggestions. Okay, some suggestions. They will tell you can go through this. Yeah, so do like this, come certain kind of suggestions. Okay, so finally, if problem is not solved, so they'll create a ticket. Anyway, everything is ticket only. So whatever they will do, they'll create a ticket. Okay, they'll forward this ticket to the appropriate team. So for example, I have a team, is a technical team is there, or a specific handler is there. For example, server manager. Okay, server managers, network managers, so network engineers, server engineers, service help desk, sorry, desktop support engineers, like so people who are working on that information, that thing. So their team is available at this place in the organization. So what they will do, they'll send this to technical team, appropriate technical team. The issue is belongs to this particular team, so they'll send to that team only. The team guy, the person, either they solve it from their place or they come to your location and they will try to solve it. Either they solve it from their place or they will come to your place. So this is a life cycle, guys. Try to understand. Again, I'm telling, this is the customer. Customer got an issue. Approach the service desk. Service desk asks some questions and give certain suggestions and also create a ticket. This ticket, okay. So before going to ticket, if problem is solved, then good. If a problem is not solved, the ticket is forwarded to appropriate team. Either from their side, depends upon the issue, either from their system or they will send a person to your location. So to solve the problem. Now the problem is solved. this service desk people take a feedback from you. Survey or a feedback. They will take a survey or a feedback. See how service is done. Is service everything is working or not? Okay, compulsory. Compulsory feedback means not only just how you feel about today kind of stuff. Not only that one, guys. Make sure that complaint is done or not. Complaint got closed or not. Closure. Okay, complaint is done or not. First important is closure. Okay, is the problem is solved or not. Next is a survey or a feedback. Survey or a feedback. Okay, first is a closure. Next is a feedback. You have to take it. So this is the completes the life cycle, means the total part. Guys, understand this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am not contacting technical team directly. Our technical team is don't know where I am located, what is my issue also. What I am doing is I contact service desk contact technical team. Okay, or a technical team take the information from service desk and go and fix it. So this service desk is called a single point of contact. Single point of contact. So look at here, it is single point of contact. It's intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees, but also satisfy both customer and IT provider. That's why it is a power of service desk. Technical management, you know that one, there is a people who are experts to solve the issues, expectations in the different type of in a different roles. Okay, so that is a technical management kind of stuff people. Application management, facility management. Okay, IT operation management. Application management is responsible for managing application throughout the life cycles. What is the issues? What are there? What are the assets are there? Like how many servers are there? Okay, how many servers are there? What are the equipment is there? So everything. What are the complaints are there? How many complaints are solved? So these are all managed by application management only. Facility management. This is a very important candidate for every IT employee. For every IT employee and every organization, the facility manager is very important. You know, he's the guy who is looking after your ACs in both server rooms and employees working places, physical environmental maintenance. Okay, so physical environment, power, cooling, building management, access management. Anyone unauthorized person is coming, so immediately they will notify. So because you want to enter into the office, you need a swiping card, right? So swiping card, thumb impression, like authorized person and all. Even a HR may not know all the employees, but this facility managers knows it. Normally, nowadays in certain organizations, they keep a security guard for this doing that one. But in generally, the facility manager plus one security guard will be there. Security guard is sitting in to the door side. Okay, and the facility manager only thing is first important is how many people are going in and going out. Swiping done correctly or not. Okay, so that logs like in and out logs from that onwards, everything. So managing ACs, anything is got repair, any physical things, air blowing kind of stuff, everything. Accessing management, environmental monitoring, how much temperature, humidity, okay, power supplies, inverter connection, everything they will monitor. IT operation management. It function is responsible daily operational to need to be managed. IT infrastructure provides centralized monitoring and control activities. Okay, but I told about service desk and what is about a customer. The customers, as I told, external customer, external customer or a customer is not part of our organization. First of all, is a customer. It can be a single or organization wise. Okay. Either it is some organization or maybe a single person is called as, usually it is external customers. External customers. Okay. So for me, in an external customer, I will divide as a public customers also there. Okay. Public. External person is also there. Public external. So public customers are nothing but a external customers only. The customers. The public customers is usually like single users part. Means I have taken Office 365. I have taken Office 365 example. I am using Office 365. I am using Office 365. Point number 1. And maybe I took internet connection. Personal. So this is a public customer. You are a public customer. So public customer usually called as a customers normally. Organizational level. Normally, external organization level customers are there. Single or a organization. Single means it's like a public customers. Organizational level is like a clients. Special clients also there. Okay. So my example I given, that is, main important is they are not part of our organization. Either they are taken a service. Guys, look at here. When you type a customer, a person who buys a goods or service from a shop or a business. So this is a simple English meaning is a person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business. So those who are become a customers. It's a single customer. Like you went to a shop, you buy a biscuit packet, you're a public customer. You have an organization, you order 1,000 biscuit packets for a particular event, or every day you have to give 1,000 biscuit packets. Organizational level, client. So we call that one as a client. Okay, organizational level. So external customers can be single or an organization level. So when it is a single, so obviously we call that one as a normal customer. Guys, all are same. Customer, client, user, all are same. It's a single customer or organizational level clients. Whatsoever it is they are using our services. Not part of our organizations. They're using services. Okay. Understand the difference between the customers, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is some other organization. For example, this is Devasri organization. Okay, so they have C solutions. She need some computer kind of stuff, like some web server related issues are there. I'm managing servers. Okay, I'm managing servers. So from here, so issues occur. So I will contact service desk. I got some issues. I contact this service desk. Where the service desk? Here only. And service desk will verify your complaint and forward to the team. The team either approach you or from their desk, they'll solve your problem. Okay, so this is organizational level, external customer. This is single public customer. Next point, same only. I'm working in my organization. This is I'm working at my PC. I'm working at my PC. I got a problem. For example, I forget my password or I'm unable to access my emails. I'm able to access my emails. I approach to service desk. I approach to service desk. I said, these are the problems. I am unable to access my emails. Then service desk will ask some questions. Forward this event to technical team. The technical team either they solve it from their place or they will approach us and solve it our place. Okay. Again like this. And here in this case, where is my I approach service desk, and where is service desk? Where am I? I'm in the same organization. Service desk also in the same organization. The technical people also same organization, and there are solved for a same person only. So this type of customer we call it as a internal customers. Internal customers. So these internal customers are employee of same organization. Okay? Employees of same organization. Both were both service desk guy both employees. Both are who is this? Both are service desk and tell me other one. So person user. No, people call these people as these customers call them as users. Okay, here we call them as customers, clients, users. All are same. All are same. Okay, customer, clients, users. When you call user, generally there are internal customers only. Okay, internal customer, external customer, two type of customers, internal customers, external customers. Internal customers meaning is both service desk and users are employees of same organizations. External customers, either single user or an organizational level users. And in a single means something no organization part. It is a single user means it's a simple a person who took the service. It's a public external customer, also called as customer care center. When it is we call a customer as a client, generally there are organizational level means another company. There is so many other things also there, but this is about a service desk will interact with customers, users, or any client kind of stuff. Any issues will come to some service desk only. Okay, so it is a single point of contact between IT employees, means the technical team, to the users or a customers or a clients. We can approach the service desk. Either you are just a customer, or you are an internal employee, or you are a client. or you are a client. Okay, by how to approach, calling them, texting them, web, direct, email kind of stuff. So what is the service desk people duty? Ask some questions, inquiry. So what is the happen? What is going on? What is there? What is it is showing? Red color, green color kind of stuff. So when it is happened, so these questions they will ask. So they create an incident ticket, forward to technical team. The team understand the issues. Okay, they connect and they solve it, or they send a person to solve the problem. Because for example, it is compulsory in person should come to your desk. So compulsory they have to send a person. Desktop support engineer kind of stuff, network engineers, the repairing people, like no. So that is so hardware means the hard part of that. But if in case your problem is not problem once problem solved, take the closer, take the survey and tell it is done. Okay, so in this one only lot of things will come up, but up to here it is enough this point. Okay, I will stop it here and just relax for 5 minutes, guys. Then I will tell a small point of monitoring. What is monitoring? Okay, what are there in the monitoring? What how it is related to monitoring to this particular subject? Okay, and different type of monitoring tools. So it's maximum I will try to complete in a half an hour. We'll take a lunch break. Afternoon we'll discuss middleware. Okay, just relax for 5 minutes. Just the 5 minutes is enough.